So a lot of people think that they want SEO. In fact, actually what they want is a digital marketing strategy, a methodology that incorporates SEO, it incorporates all the other elements. What you want is an integrated strategy. There's no point in doing just Facebook ads or just paid advertising, or in this case, just SEO. What you need is a strategy. So what we offer as a business is any of our services come with a digital marketing strategy, or you can buy the book on Amazon. It's called Lost in the Digital Noise, and it comes with about 2 hours of videos which will actually show you how to actually incorporate SEO into your integrated strategy. But one of the first things that we need to do is we need to make sure that we look for keywords and phrases that people are actually searching on. So people now have got these Alexa things in their houses where they're starting to ask more and more questions. So how do I do this? What is this? So by identifying what those questions are, that can make up some of our content on our social media, and blog posts, and even articles that we can put on trusted websites for linking back to our website. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is, first of all, just how to do keyword research. So obviously there's a variety of different companies out there, lots of different sectors. So I'm just going to use SEO, the initials there, SEO, as the seed word, and what we're going to do is in the UK, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this search button, and then you'll see here in the positive folder on the left hand side, green box, you'll see 885. So what this does is it's now done a search. If you searched in from UK on google.co.uk, these are the search results. So what you have to remember is we're now not interested in only what people have already advertised using Keyword Planner. We're also interested in learning from the predictive search. So this is what people have typed in. So there's 1 billion searches a day, and 15% of those are new keywords and phrases that nobody's actually advertised on previously. So therefore there's no data available. But you can see here, where we start to go down here, you can see these questions like, can SEO keywords be phrases? Can you do SEO on Shopify? Can you do SEO on Squarespace? Can you do SEO with Wix? And so on and so on. So there's 865, but what we're going to do here is we're going to add the results from Bing. So I'm going to select this box here. I'm going to click on Bing from UK, and you'll see this 865. We've now got 2,861 keywords that have the word SEO written in them. So it's likely that a lot of these keywords you're not going to need or are irrelevant. So what we can do is we can actually click these ones that we don't want, and we can put them in a negative folder. So of course we live in a data-driven world. Data-driven world where, you know, all data, whether it's good or bad, we can use within our integrated digital strategy, which is what the book will actually go through. So if you take a service from us, you'll get the strategy, or like I say, you can buy it on Amazon. We might say, for example, you can start to see 2018 here. What we can actually do is we can actually filter through everything with the word 2018, because obviously we're in 2019, it's all irrelevant to us. Same with, say, 2017. We can get rid of that. Is there anything on 2016? No, there isn't. So we can actually start filtering it out. We have a positive and the negative list, and we can export both lists. And it's important that we're able to export both lists. The next thing we can do is we can go to the export button, which will then produce a CSV file with all of our positive keywords, or negative, in this case positive. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy, at any one time you can copy 991, that's as far as the API will allow at the moment, so there's not a lot we can do about that. But if we just take, say, I don't know, oh, that's a mistake, sorry. So if we just take a load of those. So remember, this can be done on any industry, and this is the foundations of everything you do online relies on this keyword research, because there's no point in optimizing pages or going for keywords and or doing blog posts where there's nobody actually searching on that keyword or phrase. So it's really, really important we get the volumes. So you can see here, I've just changed this to pounds. I've entered in our keywords. I'm just going to click on search, and then what you'll see here is all the data. So if we just export that data, then I'll explain to you what each column is. And like I say, this is 100%. This is the starting block for anything you do online. So many people go straight to Facebook advertising, or they think they want SEO. In fact, actually what they want is this integrated strategy. They need a plan of action, which is what a lot of people, and where a lot of people go wrong, including large companies, should I say. So we've worked for one-man band accountancy businesses, NHS data recovery companies, Microsoft HP Platinum partners, global retailers, and we've used this strategy. We know it works, and that's why we offer this keyword research, because it's critical. I cannot say how critical it is to your plan. Anyway, so in column A we've got the keyword, whatever that might be. Then we've got the number of searches on that particular word in that particular month that you're actually doing the spreadsheet. Then you've got a cost per click if you're going to do paid advertising. And then you've got the competition level. So competition level is how many people are competing against you for that particular word or phrase. And then each one of these columns, you've got column 3, you've got 3, you've got 2, 1, 12, 11. These are months, obviously. And so what you can start to do is you can start to think about your strategy month on month. So if you're a music shop and you sold guitars, violins and pianos, you could say in April more people are looking at pianos, so therefore we'll move our marketing budget to pianos that month. So 100%, all this data is very, very relevant to your business. And I would say, even if you're at the stage where you're thinking about even building a website, this is critical. You've got to do this first. Hopefully that helps. Thanks very much.